Your front door deserves eyes that never blink. That's why we've scanned Amazon's top sellers for the best 5 doorbell cameras in 2025, so you catch every knock, package, or prowler without the hype.
Number 5. The Blink Video Doorbell. Budget boss at $50. 1080p high definition, 2-year battery life, motion alerts straight to your phone. For renters who want simple security without breaking the bank. Number 4. The Arlo Video Doorbell. Second generation, versatile visionary. 2K resolution, 180-degree field of view. Geofencing that arms when you leave. Ideal for smart homes that play nice with everyone. Number 3. The Ring Battery Video. Doorbell Plus, premium performer. 1536p with color night vision, head-to-toe coverage for spotting packages. For Alexa loyalists needing crisp, reliable feeds on the move. Runner-up the Google Nest Doorbell. Wired second generation. AI Ace. High dynamic range video, facial recognition that knows your regulars, intelligent alerts for people versus squirrels, perfect for Google fans craving smart, seamless integration. Our Muxios top pick, the UFI Security Video Doorbell, E340, dual cam dynamo, 2K front plus 1080p down for package watch, no subscription local storage, color night vision spotlights. For savvy shoppers dodging fees while nailing detections. The Muxios Top 5 Doorbell Cameras. Thank you for watching Muxios Reviews. Support Muxios by purchasing through the links in the description at no extra cost to you. Like and subscribe for more great reviews.